With Giftship, you can let customers on your Shopify store send digital gift messages to their recipients via email and SMS. Customers can write a message and even record a video. The message can arrive on their chosen date or when the order is fulfilled. Let's walk through how it works. Collect digital gift messages anywhere in your store. At the product level with product options, at the cart level with cart options, in the drawer cart, at checkout for Shopify Plus stores, or through Giftship's multi-address feature on the shipping rates page. For this demo, we'll show digital gift messages collected through product options. No matter where you collect it, Giftship offers 3 design layouts for displaying a digital gift message. First is the traditional "Is this a gift?" checkbox. Next is an accordion. And the third is a pop-up modal. No matter which design you choose, the process stays the same. Customers enter the recipient's information, write a gift message, and even record a video. They also enter the recipient's email and/or phone number. Depending on your configuration, you can let customers choose exactly when the message arrives, or default to sending it when the order fulfills. Once added to cart, this information saves as a line item property when collected at the product level, or a note attribute when collected at the cart level. Once the customer checks out, Giftship automatically sends the gift message to both the recipient and the customer, depending on your delivery settings. It sends on the date and time the customer chose, or when the order is marked as fulfilled, or a set number of days after, anywhere from 1 to 4. We'll be adding more scenarios in the future. Both the recipient and the customer receive an email notification with a greeting and a call to action to view the gift. The template is fully customizable in Giftship to match your brand's look and feel. We cover template creation in another video. From here, the recipient clicks View Your Gift. The landing page embeds within your theme's header and footer, so it feels native to your store. It displays the gift message and video recording. Ours stays hidden in this demo. We're a little camera shy. It also shows a breakdown of the order's items, their order status, and when they might arrive. And that's it. Whether it's a heartfelt note or a personal video, Giftship makes every gift feel personal. Collected anywhere in your store and delivered automatically right on time. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.